Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to Garmin Connect, your ultimate partner for all things running. This powerful and intuitive app transforms your Garmin device data into actionable insights, helping you run smarter and achieve your fitness goals. It's truly a central hub for tracking, analyzing, and improving your running performance, making every stride count on your journey. We'll explore how to unlock its full potential, ensuring you get the most from every workout. Getting started with Garmin Connect is quite simple. Begin by pairing your Garmin device to the app, which quickly syncs all your vital data. Next, take a moment to accurately enter your personal details. This ensures the most precise calculations for your performance metrics. Then, it's time to set your running goals, whether you're aiming for a new personal best, increasing your weekly mileage, or training for a specific race. Setting these objectives guides your progress within the app. After each run, Garmin Connect becomes your personal coach. You can dive deep into detailed summaries, viewing your route on a map, along with all your vital statistics. Understanding key metrics like pace, distance, heart rate, and even ground contact time can really help you evaluate your effort. Over time, you'll spot valuable trends in your performance, allowing you to see your progress and identify areas where you might want to focus your training efforts. It's all there, waiting for you to explore. Garmin Connect isn't just for looking back, it's also excellent for planning ahead. You can easily use the built-in calendar to schedule your upcoming runs and workouts, keeping your training organized. For more specific needs, create custom workouts with precise intervals and targets that download directly to your device. Plus, explore a wide variety of adaptive training plans crafted by expert coaches, which adjust to your progress and help you achieve ambitious running goals, whatever they may be. Garmin Connect also fosters a vibrant running community. You can easily join exciting challenges, competing with other runners from around the world, adding an extra layer of motivation to your workouts. Sharing your achievements with friends and family is straightforward too, celebrating your milestones together. Furthermore, you can seamlessly sync your Garmin Connect data with other popular third-party fitness applications, ensuring all your health and fitness information is consolidated. It really helps you stay connected and inspired on your running journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.